Thousands of people let down their lives for our country to breathe this day. We should never forget their sacrifice. 15th August is a day to remember and honor them. A very good morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. This is Janvi of Class 12B wishing you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. The COVID pandemic may be disheartening, but it cannot extinguish the light of patriotism from our heart. In order to commemorate the sacrifice of our freedom fighters, Parya Agarwal of UKG-A will recite a poem followed by a heart-touching melody by Lakshya Sharma of 4C. Jivika Raghuvanshi of 8th will enlighten us with her speech. Thereafter, Piyush and Priyanshu Bisht of 10th will present a memorable song. Today's special Independence Day Assembly will conclude with a thought-provoking poem by Udita Jain of Class 12E.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Parya Agarwal from UKG A class. Now I am recite a rhyme. हे माँ तुम्हें पढ़ा सर सर करती हवाओं को, कल कल करती नदियों को, सोना उगलती धरती को। हे माँ, हे माँ, हे माँ तुम्हें प्रणाम। चहचहाती चिड़ियों को, महकते खिलते फूलों को, इंद्रधनुषी रंगों को। हे माँ, हे माँ, हे माँ तुम्हें प्रणाम। लाल वीर सेनानी को, सरहद पे लड़ते वीरों को, गोली खाते वीरों को। हे माँ, हे माँ, हे माँ तुम्हें प्रणाम। थैंक यू।
Freedom in any case is only possible when you are constantly struggling for it. A very good day to all. Myself Jivika Raghuvanshi from class 8E. Today, I just want to express my some words on the occasion of India's 75th Independence Day. As we know that we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year, and this day is also observed as a national holiday in India. My very heartfelt wishes to everyone on the occasion of India's 75th Independence Day. As we are born in an independent country and hence understand a very little about the insult of being governed by a foreign power. But when the people of that time came to understand this insult, they started doing revolts. Many freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Khudiram Bose and more, they contributed their lives for the independence of India. In present, on Independence Day, our Prime Minister visits Red Fort for a flag-raising ceremony, and he also delivers a speech which is broadcasted nationwide. In the last, I would just like to say a very happy Independence Day to all. We should feel proud to be an Indian, and yes, we should feel blessed and lucky that we have been given a country, a land of peace, happiness and harmony by our forefathers. Thank you. Jai Hind.
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोल पपीहा कोयल गाए हो, बोल पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन गिर गिर आए, ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा। गेहूं के खेतों में कंघी जो करे हवाएं, रंग बिरंगे कितने चुनरियां उड़ उड़ जाए, पनघट पर पनिहारन जब घघरी भरने आए, मधुर मधुर तानों में कहीं बंसी कोई बजाए, कदम कदम पर है मिल जानी हो, कदम कदम पर है मिल जानी, कोई प्रेम कहानी, ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा। धन्यवाद।
आज तिरंगा लहराता है अपनी पूरी शान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आजादी के लिए हमारी लंबी चली लड़ाई थी, लाखों लोगों ने प्राणों से कीमत बड़ी चुकाई थी। व्यापारी बनकर आए और छल से हम पर राज किया, हमको आपस में लड़वाने की नीति अपनाई थी। हमने अपना गौरव पाया अपने स्वाभिमान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। गांधी, नेहरू, तिलक, जवाहर का यह प्यारा देश है, जिए और जीने दो का देता सबको संदेश है। प्रहरी बनकर खड़ा हिमालय जिसके उत्तर द्वार पर, हिंद महासागर दक्षिण में इसके लिए विशेष है। गूंजने लगी दसों दिशाएं वीरों के यशगान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। हमें हमारी मातृभूमि से इतना मिला दुलार है, इसकी आंचल की छैया में छोटा सा यह संसार है। विश्व शांति की चली हवाएं हमारे हिंदुस्तान से, हमें मिली आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से।
their worthy parents, and the dedicated staff members. Greetings on the occasion of the 75th Independence Day of the country. It is indeed a very proud and a glorious moment in the history of this great nation that we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day today. We are all fortunate to be born in a free India, and we are all proud Indians. But at the same time, we must all acknowledge the sacrifices made by those great leaders and those ordinary common men who died while earning this hard-fought freedom for us. We must, as a tribute to them, as a homage to them, follow their teachings in real life. Dear children, prepare yourself for the future of this country, for you are the future that is going to bring further glories to this nation. And how can you do that? Be good students to your teachers and be good children to your parents. Let us all share your goodness and your happiness, your joys. Let us make it our joys and happinesses too, and let us take this nation to its further glorious heights. Once again, I greet you all on the occasion of the 75th Independence Day of this country. Let us all rejoice in the glories of this great nation. Thank you all.